Let's bake keto-friendly, low-carb, and diabetic-friendly coconut loaf cake. And it's very affordable since coconut flour yung gamit natin. Now, it's very easy. Pagsamasamahin lang po lahat ng ingredients na nasa screen. It's better if you will weigh your ingredients, pero kung wala pong pantimbang, I will write down the equivalent measurements sa caption. Now, kapag okay na, ilagay naman yung mga wet ingredients. Now, at this point, naka-preheat na po yung oven ko at 180 degrees Celsius. Now, kapag tapos na maghalo-halo, let's transfer it to a loaf pan. My loaf pan is 8 by 4. And then, lutuin na po for 45 minutes. Now, this recipe can make 16 slices and each slice will have 143 calories, 15 grams of fat, 1.5 grams of protein, and 0.6 grams of carbs.